everybody, welcome to Behind the Boot.
We hope you're having a great day wherever you are.
We had to do a quick stop here along the way to Ottawa because it's so beautiful.
So pretty. And look who we brought with us.
Charlie, you've never been on a frozen lake.
And there's Lily.
Charlie, what do you think of frozen lakes in Ontario? Alright guys, so we're off the way to
see you at Winterlude.
and happy winter.
Happy winter. Look at this. Look at how pretty it is. Da, 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 da. Come on, Lily.
There we go. Bye-bye. Boots?